Sorry.
See these fireworks?
So they've all got up really, really early to do this fireworks. Did they?
Oh, we don't know.